Hey, I hope you had a good first day of distance learning and it was free of technical difficulties. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to quickly show you how to navigate through Canvas in your assignments. I know that a couple of you had some struggles today, and I want to make sure I clarify those for you. So I'm going to log into Canvas. I'm here. I've already logged into Google with my daughter's account. I'm going to log into Canvas. And remember, when I do get in here, it's going to look differently because she is in high school and has different classes. So I access her things just a little bit differently than you do mine. Okay, so here we are. Here's an announcement that I've posted for you guys. This is where you'll find your YouTube link and your Google Meet code. All right. So modules moved, and that's just because I had to add some other things in here. So your modules had to move a little ways. So we're going to click on that, and we'll go to the top. Now, this is where you'll find your distance learning attendance. Now, guys, on your attendance, do the best you can with that. I know it's not easy to log on at a certain time and things like that because of the different things we have going on at home. So just know that it just has to be done by Sunday. Just go in there and do them all by Sunday at some point, okay? As far as your assignments, let's talk about those. So today you guys actually had a Google form assignment, and here's hers. And so what you had to do was work in your Google form. Now it did have submit assignment up here, and I think that threw some of you off. So we're going to go through here, and I'm just going to pick some answers just because I want to show you what happens here. Okay, so we asked you to submit here. You can do that, submit. Now, if I go back up here and I try to submit so that Canvas lets me know it's over, and then or to let Canvas know that I'm done, it says submit assignment. And then it won't let you unless you attach a file. You have two options here. You can go to text entry and say, I completed this, and submit it to me that way. Or you can choose to just close out of that assignment and go on, because I will find it when I go into Google Forms. So either way, for this type of assignment, I have access and I can find out if you've completed it. I'm going to go ahead and submit that because that just makes you double sure. And if you're messing with your to-do list or anything like that, it lets you and your parents know that it was completed. Okay, let me show you another kind of assignment you might encounter. So here is the text structure review, and it says, click on the submit button to open a text box for your recording your answers. Well, that also kind of threw people for a loop. They weren't quite sure what I meant by that. So when you open these kind of assignments, you're going to have your directions here, and then you have a preview or the assignment itself, however you want to look at that, that you can see. You can click on this little pop-out arrow here, and it will make it a large version for you. You do not have to print these. I will not ever send you anything that you have to print. Okay, so while you guys are working on this, you can come right into this and click submit assignment, and it's going to have all the options again. So if you did it in Google and you want to put your Google Doc in there, you can do that. Or you can say text entry, and you can just simply type number 1 is good, number 2 is bad, number 3 is happy, or whatever the answers may be. I don't even know. Okay, and then you come down here and you just submit it, and you're all finished. Okay, so you just choose the method that you'd like to use to submit the assignment. That's how you do that assignment. And the next example I'd like to show you, let's go back here. Is the one that you have coming up tomorrow, and this is for 2 days because it's quite a large assignment. So you have you have all of your notes here. These are all of your instructions. They'll always be here. Okay, now mine is asking me to link. Now, because I've got 2 accounts open, it's not letting us open it. So let's go back and come back into this. There it goes. It's loading it. So now, because I've allowed her to link, which is what you guys have probably already done, if you have been in my class before, you've done that because you did that when you wrote your narrative. So you're going to open to attach and submit, or you can click on this right here, either one, because once you do that link, it has now opened this for you. So we're going to open it. And you'll notice for this assignment, it's going to open into Google Slides. So you can open this up to 100% to help you read it better. And there are 5 stories. Seems like a lot, right? You only have to do 2 of them, or 3 of them, excuse me, on Thursday, and you'll do 2 on Friday. So what you're going to be doing is reading a story and then determining which text structure that story is organized under. Once you've determined that, you're going to use that story to fill out a graphic organizer in that appropriate structure. These assignments that open in Google like this allow you to immediately just start working on the document. And I actually have access to that at any time because I created the document and made a copy for you, so I'm linked to your document. So if I wanted to write the cause here, I could say, I stayed up late last night. The effect, I'm going to come to this box here and say, I woke up late. Okay. And let's pretend that I've done all the assignments and I'm all done. I'm just going to X out up here in the Google. I'm going to go here, open to attach and submit. And I'm going to submit it. And I'm already done. So I'm not actually going to submit this one just because I might need to open it for something else. So I'm going to leave it unsubmitted so that if I need to show you guys something else that I can. But that's basically how we do our assignment and different kinds of assignments within Google. So hopefully that helped you. Hopefully that answered some of your questions. I know some of your teachers may have some different formats, but those are the 3 that I'm using most often now. So I felt like you guys really should see how to operate those. So have a great evening.